All right, here we go. Mobbing in. Overland Expo. Oh, sweet. Look at that. $2024 Land Cruiser. This thing is beast.
Well, they're both great colors. Depends how much all the guys go. 83, it's a 3-speed. It's a green. Well, ice and snow. Not deep snow, but you require change for that.
Oh, it's the Granddaddy FJ. Some pretty sweet steelies.
I don't know if that's a trade-off.
They have braid, B-R-A-I-D. Ooh, look at those headers. That is clean. This is totally done right. Oh, that's too much fun. I wish I could just build stuff like this all the time. Who do I got to get to know to be a mechanic that builds this stuff? This is too cool, dude. My kids would love this. Honestly, I'd be afraid to go off-roading in it, though. Can I have that? Have a fire anywhere, anytime. Check out this behemoth. Here's all the goods. Check out all the different types you can get. Bam. Look how big that one is. Check out the patina on this one. Oh. Nice, got a couple steaks on there. We got the bar up in there.
Hey guys, look out, we're gonna blast just a little bit. Oh yeah, he's good, I think. Yeah, again, the biggest, that's the safety cutoff. That's the biggest fire on the market.
Yeah, it's not.
Now this has got to be the coolest truck here. Holy moly. Yeah, what is this thing?
I'll take it. I appreciate it, thank you.
Tell me that ain't the raddest Overland truck you've seen.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how's it going?
Good.
I like your Yoda.
Thank you very much, man. Yes, we got a 3RZ swap out of a 2000 Toyota Tacoma. 529 gears. We have the supercharger on there. We do the full tuck and shave of the engine bay. The whole chassis has been powder coated. LC Engineering exhaust. We're actually putting a whole LC Engineering engine in with rods, pistons, port polish. So it'll be turned up. Box triple bypass on the front, adjustable 2.5 DSCs on the rear. Obviously solid axle swap, 85 Toyota.
Jeez.
Blocked front and rear. So,
That is sweet.
thank you so much, man. You want
That's pretty rad. I love it.
Thank you so much, man. Hey, have a good day.
You too. Walking up on step 22. They got a lot of good gear. Something that's coming out in a couple of months. But Very cool. Yeah, being able to strap gear to your tire, that's crucial. That's space saving. Efficiency. Oh yeah, they got a kitchen kit. Nice tool roll. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I mean, when I'm traveling for work, obviously I got
Cutting board.
every stupid thing in the world. Yeah.
Who doesn't need a camp bar?
Trying to figure out.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Hygiene kit.
Because I'm using.
Oh, dude, you gotta check this one out. This is a perfect example of how a wrap just changes the whole look of the vehicle. It's a new Land Cruiser. That was nicely done.
Excuse me. Sorry.
He's been talking for
Super sick.
somehow to try to get involved with this. They know the originating partnership, but you know, still.
Right? Yeah, exactly. Like.
Alright, this might be my new favorite vehicle that came out this year. This specific one with the wrap. Very nice. So cool. Now I was just camping on my rooftop cot. I've actually never tried a hammock before, but if I did, I would do it like that. Is that Adventure Hammock Systems?
I thought the first one was something.
Good, huh? This thing is huge. I don't know where on earth you would actually be able to drive one of these. Earth Roamer. Crazy town. Jeep Gladiator on bags.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more crawl height.
That is cool. So for the guys that have, or gals, that have built rig, like myself, who are trying to use my car, they have all that set up and set back top. So you can have this thing out.
Yeah, so those are all like sale.
What do you think? Oh, my back is, that's great. Is it helping?
Plenty of room. Full kitchen set.
He wasn't amused by that, was he?
He'll laugh.
CNC aluminum, maybe? Broncos getting in the game.
Mystery.
Final push.
Wild Sam magazine. That was pretty sweet. You got bamboo.
These are just flames. Burning in the fireplace, I hear your voice, and it seems
All right, I'm actually on a mission. I'm looking for the OnX Offroad booth. I saw it here already somewhere. I just want to let them know how cool I think their product is. I planned my whole overlanding adventure using OnX Offroad. Man, tell me this doesn't want to make you get a motorcycle. The long range fuel tanks. I would totally outfit my rig with one of these, but
I don't know exactly. I mean, probably within a week I'll get a hold of you. But you know how life gets, all of a sudden you get busy and you're like, crap, so it might be 2 weeks. But again, thanks, Dan. Thanks, Marcus.
a Gladiator
Sounds good. See you guys later.
on tracks. There's OnX Offroad. I used to work on school buses too.
Yeah, I got this hat last year.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How's it going?
Good, good. Any questions I can answer for you?
No, not really.
Okay.
I just wanted to stop by and let you guys know that I really like your what you guys are doing.
Awesome.
Before I came here, I spent 2 days going through the Cascades.
Nice.
And I planned my whole route using OnX Offroad, so that's pretty fun. Zoom in, find little places off the track that I want to check out.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Sweet.
That was pretty rad.
Can I get you a hat, sticker?
Sure.
All right.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys didn't get a chance to come out here. Now what, son? I'll catch up with you guys later.